So there I got a call from a lady. She wants me to give her a price on changing out a gas furnace at a house. A couple of guys have been over there, and I said, well, what's the problem with it? I guess the exhaust fan motor's not running, and everybody's trying to sell her a new unit. So I said, maybe we could just get another motor for you to get you going. I guess they're quoting her tens of thousands of dollars to replace the unit. So it's 90 plus plastic vent going out the side of the house. I'm gonna go by there and look at it and see if the motor, if there's power going to the motor, or maybe the motor's bad, or sometimes birds get down in there, and it could be a bad board. I'll have to look at it. Don't take anybody's word for shit. Maybe I can get it going for her. Not sure. I'm gonna go over there and get hands on the ground here and see what's going on with it. You have to test, right? I have to test for power and see where we're losing power, if we're even getting power. It could be off on, it could be a high limit, you know, high limit's open and the thing's not running. Could be that. Could be the door switch is bad. Could be the thermostat that's bad. I mean, who the hell knows? It could be anything. You gotta check. Three blinks. Pressure switch failed to close. What's this? Alright guys, we got a bad exhaust fan motor here. I had power. I had 110 going to this thing. It's not spinning, so it's not pulling in the vacuum switch. So I got to change this. I have a new one. No problem. So I got the power off. The thing was red hot. I tried running it for a bit. No good. That's black and white. So it was white, and that's black. Collector box has got a couple of cracks in it. I'm gonna silicone that when I get it out. So what size is that? Here's a leaker. Full volts. The whole thing should come right out. That should do it. That's number 3. No birds. I don't see any birds in there. I'm kind of stuck. It's got a couple of small cracks in the box. I mean, they didn't have one. I would have bought a new collector box, but they didn't have it. So we'll put some silicone on it. Ain't rocket science. Not that big of a deal. Not that big of a deal. Filter's probably not the best. It ain't rocket science, Mama. It ain't rocket science. Some more light in here so I can see. You can either leave the options of either fixing this thing or getting a new unit. I mean, putting a new blower assembly in it. New blower assembly in it for about $1,000. Well, do you want to spend 10 grand for a new unit? What do you want to do? She wants to spend $1,000 and fix it. That's what I would do. That's what I would do. And get another couple of years out of this unit. It should be good. Look at the ground wire. Yeah. Right. Black on the white. That's the way the other one was. This and this. And this goes here. Pull the vacuum switch in. And this has to go on the bottom here. And it should be ready to go. And that goes there. And it should run. We're back together here with this. Alright, let's see if it works. I wonder how dirty that flame sensor is. It wouldn't hurt to clean that flame sensor while I'm here. igniter might be bad too. Feel it's all white. Might have a bad igniter there. Oh, it's glowing. Glowing. Houston, we have ignition. Dirty this filter is. Should probably check that on here too. Houston, we have ignition. Yeah, Houston, we have ignition. Make sure I plug this back in, but plug this back in. Alright, new exhaust, inducer motor, left the pot there, and ready to go. Like a heat.